Baby beetroot make me go wow.
What?
I'm ready. You ready?
Alright,
Last
yes.
one. Okay. Okay.
Pizza rolls make me go buck wild.
That's really long. Beetroot. Say it again. Say it again.
Pizza rolls make me go buck wild.
Beetroot makes me turn brown.
Do they have those here?
Yeah, pizza rolls.
Pizza rolls make me go buck wild.
Baby whales. Say it again.
Pizza rolls make me go buck wild.
Baby beetroot make me go wow.
What?
Say it again.
Pizza rolls make me go buck wild.
Baby whales make me go bright orange. I have to give up. What is it?
Pizza rolls make me go buck wild.
Never got that. Okay, I think you won. Good game. Don't like losing. Oh well. Anyway, I hope you liked that video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to the Girl Talk World channel. And thank you so much, Johnny, for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Bye.